Hey guys, Game Knowledge Zero back again on 7 Days to Die, joined by, of course, JT Hollow 7. JT, how you doing?
I wish.
Good, good.
Alright, good. So, we originally did not record because, we didn't want the night to be boring, but, you know, it wasn't boring at all. We died quite a bit, and Mason's in the background, but that's fine. Just have to ignore him for the time being. He has to scream a lot. JT,
Where do you craft flaming arrows?
Flaming arrows? Probably in a workbench.
Yeah. You probably need gas and arrow. Or cloth, gas and arrow, probably. So I won't guess.
Alright, I'm gonna deposit some stuff, JT, and then I'm gonna hop on Minibike and get out of here. Which Minibike's yours?
Oh, I can't access none of my slots for some reason.
Let's see what we got here.
Is friendly fire on?
I don't know.
If it is, I need you to kill me. I can't access none of my
I don't
quick
think it
slots. Right, where are you? Are you in base?
Yeah.
Hey you. Hey, you kill me.
Why do people think that magic
Still depositing all the stuff I don't need.
is?
I'm behind you.
It obviously is real.
Alright, GT. You bet.
Try to kill me. No damage.
I think you can't kill your friends. Here. Come here now.
Okay, I'm in base. Yeah, you're doing damage. Oh. You did 30 damage in one shot. Your headshot. When you headshot me, that's 30 damage.
Even with only your football helmet on?
Yeah. No, 570 some football helmet. Your little bone knife.
Hey, JT, I'm taking
me.
an animal fight.
That's good. You take it. I don't need it. I just not farming. Just killing animals.
Alright, I got
I
7
don't need their
torches.
leather. What's all this stuff in my backpack? What? Oh, I'm not. I've my motorcycle parts in my book bag for some reason. Huh. Did I pick it up on accident?
You might have.
I think I might have. That sucks.
That wasn't yours, too.
That's okay. Won't take up much time.
Wait, JT, you sure you have your Minibike?
Something to do.
What? Which one?
Or wait, or did it duplicate?
Yes, he is.
There's a Minibike right here. I don't see a Minibike right here.
What's your main bag? I somehow glitched it. I have enough parts for another one.
Alright, go ahead and place it.
Oh, that's interesting. No, I can't place anything.
Oh, then drop it.
Everything's
Drop
glitched.
that out of your
I can't
inventory.
punch, I can't do nothing. I can't punch, I can't do nothing.
Drop those Minibike parts.
Oh, do I need me back? Is that everything? Or did I have... We glitched it. We have 3 mini bucks now.
Yeah. Wait, JT, I don't have any meat wheels though.
Wheels? They're probably down in my bag. So I didn't grab them when I was in. Dang it!
Bless you.
My bag.
My mini bike's gone, bro.
It is. My screen it says there's a mini back way that way.
Where?
A mini back way that way. This way. It says there's a mini back right here, but there's not one.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't understand. Here, take these wheels. And it says there's a mini back right here. It says it's trees a mini back. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do a relog because I can't do nothing.
I got 0 gas though.
Push works?
I got 0 gas.
Didn't have any gas on my body. Interesting.
Alright, JT. I go find some gas.
Yes.
And my mini bike. I think my actual personal one's gone now. But yours duplicated, so that's fine.
I don't know what. I have the parts in my inventory now.
You have more parts
What?
again?
Yeah. And your mini bike's here.
It's there again?
Oh god. Yeah. There's 2 mini bikes here on more parts. I don't know what's happening.
I
Yeah,
placed
place it down.
placed it again.
What's happening? Oh god. It don't have a basket, but it works. Oh. We glitched everything. No, we got 3. Oh. This been a
And there's still one that's
fun.
invisible somewhere.
Yeah. No, where
I
did
need gasoline.
it deleted most stuff? Dang it.
What?
It deleted my ammo. Oh no. Wait, unless it's in the bag. It deleted my ammo. It took away spots for those parts. It took away ammo, took away my axe. Oh my god. It took away a bunch of my crap.
Can I take away your guns?
No. My pistol, but not my shotgun.
Whoa! Chill!
Dang it.
Loud.
Was it worth it?
Loud.
Was it worth it? Shotgun ammo or level 243 pistol for a dirt bike? Not dirt bike. Was it worth it?
Mini bike? Not unless we had someone else that need one.
Oh.
Did you have to refriend me real quick?
And can't even.
Oh wait, you did.
They have 8-year-olds.
Do you have enough materials to make another axe?
Yeah. How much gas I got? I got 115 gasoline, JT.
Where are you currently?
I was just at a nearby house. I'm over here. Back at the mini bikes. It shows 4 mini bikes on my map.
Me too.
Is there one like glitched in the air somewhere in this tree?
Mom,
I don't understand.
subscribe to PewDiePie. Subscribe
Oh,
to PewDiePie.
yeah, there's one on the tree. No, it ain't. Wait, I don't know.
Subscribe
We'll
to
find out if it
PewDiePie.
comes crashing down.
Yeah.
Wait, did you take
What is
this?
up, PewDiePie?
You got it.
That'll be the best decision you have.
Did I hear something? Do you hear that?
I hear
Stand
like
over
a
here.
Minibike braking.
Is it under the ground?
Uh-oh.
I made you an axe right there, JT. JT, take this.
After me. Oh.
It's underground. Hey, there it is.
Oof.
Come on back.
It's weird. We have
Well,
4
JT.
Minibikes now.
Yeah. Give me a second. And that's some weird. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. I'm really confused for a second. Let's you grab that supply up, AT, and then catch up with me.
Oh, the
AT, did we ever leave the church yet?
I didn't.
I don't think we ever did. It's got a lot of candles in it though. If you want more candles, lights for a base.
no.
I think we hid in the entrance doors of the church before we died.
Alright, bye. That was, yes, you are. Alright, bye. Where are you?
Alright, we're at GT.
What goes for it?
So where you at?
Church.
Alright, let's get out of here. Scrap that, take that, scrap that, scrap that, scrap that, scrap that. We also have candles for the base, for even more light. Just follow the road and see where it takes us. Did you hear that, JT?
What?
Okay, never mind.
Follow me on Spotify and SoundCloud.
Which way want to go, left or right?
Correct.
Oh, there's a little hut.
It's Mr. Paul, bro, with that
Oof.
channel. Oh.
That thing didn't protect us very well. For a little bit, it did.
No. Yeah, look. Without it, we probably would die.
I think we died even with it. afterwards. We ran
Yeah.
away. Then we died. There's a shopping cart right here. What's in it? Got some food. See a lake.
How's Rex? I can't say English. Rex. I can't say English. English. I was driving like I'm drunk.
We've already been here, apparently. Empty blue sedan. I haven't been over here, have you?
I don't remember.
Oh, I found level 3 steel pickaxe. Pickaxe. It's not a very good one. Steel's the best type of tool.
I was like,
It's a low level, but it's got the best tool.
well,
I'm checking all these cars, JT. I found more gas.
I'm into dead end. They're
It
all
is?
into dead end. Yeah.
Man, I got things to do.
Alright, hold on. Be here. That leads to a dead end. I know what we can do. Follow me. Where's it at?
Uh-oh.
There it is. Follow the dirt path. You want to leave this place or no?
I don't care.
Oh, let's skip it.
Where's your ocean?
Up ahead, there should be another road.
Oh, cabbages.
Yeah, just keep going. Going straight ahead, there'll be a road. Make sure we take a left on
I
it.
hate cabbages.
Oh. Are you at the road yet, JT? No.
No. Oh god, no. Where even are you? I need
Almost at the road.
I need to follow you on the map. You're so on my map, I don't know where you are.
So open up your map. See if you can see me.
Oh, that way.
Alright, I found the road. I'm on it. I'll wait for you.
My gas is at 39.
It's alright. You'll be fine. Whoops, that was completely off. Nope.
Oh. Oh, you have a hunting knife?
Yeah, I can make them. If you want one when we get back to base.
Sure, I'll take one.
Oh, my vehicle health is at 50%. Probably because it was buried alive.
Oof. That was that saying, oh, let's run over the deer. Yeah, roadkill. Da 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 da. That deer run animation.
Crash car right here. Log cabin up ahead.
I'm gonna yeah.
I looted that log cabin. That's the farthest I've been, was the log cabin. So just keep on the road. Keep on the road, JT. And you're way more armored than me. You can take a beating. Oh, except for your legs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Scrap
except
isn't
my
the
legs.
best,
Hey, to me.
but like it's pretty high up there.
It's good for starting.
The actual iron's pretty good.
Yeah. It's like
I
a
found 3 duct
medieval
tape.
knight. Dead end?
Then? Really?
Yeah.
I've taken 3 different paths and they've all ended up in dead ends. Well, there's one more path we can go to.
Ba 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 ba. I'm hiding it. Ba da ba ba ba. Ba
Alright,
ba 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 ba.
right there. Follow me, JT. There's one more
All
road that...
of some
last
sort
chance.
of leg armor. I've cloth leg armor. It's better than none.
Guess so. Oh, I'm stuck on a rock.
My gas is at 34. Ba da ba da.
I'm at 38.
38, 38, 38. 38. Is this the road?
Nope, gotta keep going. Back into the town. Every road off the town except for one we've traveled on so far. And they've all resorted in dead end. We got one left to look at.
Daddy. Ah.
I have no idea why I hit, but I just went down 4%.
Da, da,
My
da,
minibike
da.
broken? What's up with it?
The engine. What's the better at?
My handlebars are
There's a
broken.
zombie.
I don't got any more handlebars, JT.
Oh, I haven't.
Repair, I need a repair kit. I gotta go back to the base.
Ooh, I have AK parts.
Hey, JT, do me a favor. Go back into the base
What?
in my little storage box. You know where that is, right?
Yeah.
Bring me the repair kits.
Da, 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 da.
I'll be over here just farming wood.
It's every day, bro, with that farming for what? Oh yeah. Why yeah. That's not nice, zombie. Zombie just smacked me. I went skirt.
Alright, JT, you can either grab the repair kits or you can grab one of the handlebars off the other mini bikes. Either way.
I feel like repair kit be better.
I'm farming wood
I'm
until you get over
hating
here.
it. What the? Ba da da da. Dang it. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah. Handlebars, you said?
Yeah, handlebars. Or grab the repair kits.
Okay, I'm coming back. I got the handlebars off one of them.
Alright.
Da 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 da. These batteries go down to 0%. These batteries are just like, oof. Is there storage on these bikes?
Yeah. Because I put a basket on. So we should have storage.
Beep 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 buddy boop.
I'm gonna scrap the handlebars for 63 iron. Or not scrap them. Just repair them for later. Oh, I'm gonna scrap them. Just gonna save them. If you hold Y and then you hit up and like the one that looks like a card trunk, that's where you can put stuff on.
How do you activate the horn?
Hold Y and then hit the horn
When
button. You can't do it when you're riding, I don't think.
That's dumb. That's the best. Here, take one of those. On the road again.
Did we loot this yet? Yeah. Let's drive until we find some sort of shelter. We got about 2 in-game hours and a half.
Oh God, it's
As long as he's missing an arm. I think.
Now he's missing a leg. No, he ain't. Never mind, so it's a prank. So it's a prank. Go. A zombie almost slapped me. Oh, that's the one. Oofed up road.
Let's see where it takes
the
us.
Valley. The Great Valley of Death. Okay, it's not that much of a valley now.
Found level 125 flashlight.
That's always missing a leg now. Or it should be.
What's your mini bike health as well?
90.
Alright, you're fine. Mine sustained so much damage from the underground.
Oh.
Oh, we can go left or
There's
right.
two
Which way you
rows
want to
here.
go? Into the mountains or into the lesser
Your
mountains?
decision.
Let's go to the mountains.
We're on the road again.
The one where it's back
Last car I'm gonna loot on the road. Because I'm trying
I
to
see,
gotta
I
find
see
shelter.
your character blood splattered everywhere. If there was friendly fire, you'd be dead. Come here, dear. Da 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 da. Roadkill.
Oh my god, you came out of nowhere. I lied for a second, then all of a sudden you were over the deer.
I was hit the deer. Roadkill.
Are we a dead
Dead
end?
end. Yep.
Turn back around. We still have a chance.
Yeah. It says you are wet. Uh-oh.
Started snowing out of nowhere.
Yeah. I don't know where you're going now. Ah. I only see smoke from the back of your thing.
Call of Duty Battle Royale.
Call of Duty Battle Royale, Donna. Blackout mode.
Oh, this road. Almost nighttime day
I
2.
hate snow in
We
this
gotta
game.
find shelter soon.
Snow plus nighttime? No bueno.
There's another dead end? No, it's not. I thought it was. We have an hour to find shelter.
Only have 19 gas left.
That's that.
But we have enough to make it back to base wherever we stop. We're back into the desert.
Ew, no, what? Hey.
Now it seems like it's really bright outside, doesn't it? Maybe it's just your light.
So cool. That was the first
Pig.
time I heard.
Come on, me pig.
We got 30 minutes,
Yay,
JT.
pig.
30 in-game minutes to find a house.
There's a duffel bag.
You can loot that if you want. I'm just gonna be on the road until I find a shelter.
It looked like a military backpack. I want to make an AK.
Wait, there's a dirt
I
road.
have AK parts on
Might
me.
take us to a house.
Could take us to a military camp. Military camp.
There is?
Is it the same one?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
just a
Is it the
campsite.
same one? Oh, it's just a camp. Are
This
we
is
going
no
to
good.
it?
We're not gonna survive the night here. I'm going back to the road.
I'm about 16 gas, Olive.
We're fine, we'll make it. We'll scrap some cars till we get some. We're gonna make it. Trust me. Are we gonna survive? At this point, nope. Not gonna survive.
Never.
Jeremy, JT, we have to make a shelter or we're dead.
Okay, I'm coming back. I just want to make sure there's no houses up there. Okay, we gotta make. What do we gotta make?
You have any wood on you?
Oh, nope, none at all. I'm gonna go farm some.
Are you kidding me? God, everyone, I can never win. I always end up.
We know how the last one of these ended out. Hopefully it's not the same.
Well, don't forget, we're also running outside.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I need to go get more wood.
I got it, don't worry.
Do campfires attract zombies?
They're outside. Heat attracts zombies.
Oh,
So if
lots
you
of
like a lot of
instant.
campfires and stuff going on,
So one will attract them?
no. I mean, there's 2 bodies in there, so it might, but like, we should be fine. Whoops, I accidentally built that. Didn't mean to build that. Guess we can just put a campfire on top of that.
Yeah, a couple pieces of wood I will put in there.
But
Oh, here we are.
Wait, I was playing.
Hey, JT, you want this axe of mine? It's half durability, but it's 1-on-1.
Sure.
Make a stairway to the roof.
Oh no.
You can if you want.
Cause I will. I'll try to. We only need one hole. Not making some of those. One of these or one of those?
Make 2 more stairs and we should be able to get up there.
Yes! Kill himself! Yes! Let's go! Go! Go!
Alright, come on up.
Oh, I didn't want to win. I did win. He lost because he actually... Go! That kid sucks.
Welcome to the roof, JT.
Nice.
Yeah.
JT, can you move forward a little bit? Wait, where'd he go? Oh, that one's back. Save this as a safe house. Hey JT,
Yes.
all the places we fortified, I'm making into safe houses.
Oh,
That way, I know which places are safe in case of a zombie place. Mark this one as the main home, right there. We have a safe house all the way out there, safe house over there, one inside the town. 4 dead-end roads. There's that one kind of like small town, and then 4 dead-end roads. Where our road's currently going, we're gonna reach the fire area, which will take us to the desert. That road will take us into that town. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Oh, you had some built on the side just for prosthetic. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Got lost in the middle of nowhere, limited gas left in the vehicle, small safe house. You know, we're pretty much screwed if we don't make it out of here in 2 days. It'll be day 14 here soon, another horde. Yeah.